Welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can add A3 paper size in Word and what is the size of A3 paper. So first I'll tell you that A3 paper dimension. The A3 dimension in the you need to make sure that it is 297 into 420 and in the centimeters it is 29.7 cm into 42 cm. And if you are talk about in inches, you need to make sure the size is 11.69 cm into 16.54 inches. So the next question is how you can add A3 paper size in Word. For this you need to open your Word document in Microsoft Word and then go to the layout tab on the top ribbon and click on the size and scroll down and select the A3 from the drop down menu. This is A3 size preview. So if A3 does not appear in the list, it is usually because your selected printer driver does not support large formatting printing. You can easily set it manually using another method. So for this you need to click on the layout tab and click on the size and click on the more paper size. And in the page setup dialog box, you need to set the dimension under paper size. Right now it is letter, and if it is appear in your list, it is well okay. And if does not appear in that, for this you need to put the dimension 11.69 inches and height is 16.54 inches as I earlier mentioned. And then you need to click OK to proceed. So this is pretty simple and easy. You can add a A3 paper size in Word. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.